To determine if you can use Cashapp on PrizePicks in 2025. Let's start by understanding what both services are. Cashapp is a mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money, while PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports platform that enables users to compete in various contests and win cash prizes. First, you need to check if PrizePicks accepts Cashapp as a payment method. You can do this by visiting the PrizePicks website or mobile app and navigating to the deposit or payment section. Look for Cashapp among the available payment options, which may include credit cards, PayPal, or other services. If Cashapp is listed as a payment option, you can proceed to link your Cashapp account to your PrizePicks account. This typically involves entering your Cashapp login credentials or scanning a QR code to authenticate the connection. Once your Cashapp account is linked, you can use it to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Simply select Cashapp as your payment method, enter the amount you want to deposit, and confirm the transaction. It's essential to note that some states or regions may have specific regulations or restrictions on using Cashapp for online gaming or fantasy sports. Therefore, it's crucial to check the terms and conditions of both Cashapp and PrizePicks to ensure that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations. In addition, be aware of any fees associated with using Cashapp on PrizePicks, such as deposit or withdrawal fees. You should also understand the minimum and maximum deposit limits, as well as any other requirements or restrictions that may apply. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of both services, you can determine if you can use Cashapp on PrizePicks in 2025 and start competing in daily fantasy sports contests with ease. Remember to always prioritize responsible gaming practices and manage your finances wisely.